Welcome traders, Patrick Head Trader, Trading123.net. In this video we're going to talk about the trades of the day that we did here on crude oil on October 28th, 2020. We start today going for 3 contracts, a stop of 15, a goal of 420, and we're willing to risk $320 to make 420. So a particular reason I go for 400 is on 3 contracts you need about 14 ticks or so to make that. So it's obtainable. And so we start the auto trader. It's in an uptrend right here. We started it. You can barely see the blue line right here. So it catches a little downtrend, some small gains, then we get stopped out. Then it gets long. Little stop there, and then the big move is the short. It sells off right into support and hits, or we get our 300 bucks. And the market was kind of going sideways and choppy here, so we took our profits. And we're using the Trading123 SR Zones here. These are support and resistance zones that plot on the chart and identify key support and resistance levels. So you see it sold off, came down to support, bounced, we got stopped out, and then it got long off of this support area, and even though we got stopped here, it moved into resistance, and then the short kicked in and it sold off to the next support level. So we take the money and run and move on to the next trade. Wait for a better setup. Crude oil, gets its moves. Usually a little later after 10. And let's see what happens on the next trade. So here's the second trade of the day on crude oil using the Trading123 SR Zones. And as you see, crude had sold off here after 10 o'clock. And we have the zone levels here. We got our support and we got our resistance. So you do the math, 37.15 up to 37, looks like 65. That's 50 ticks. Potential move. So we upped our profit goal to $800. And we started the auto trader in a downtrend. It gets long off the support level of the SR zones. We hit our first target, and we widened our targets also due to the potential move up here into these red resistance zones. Hits our second target here, 37.54, and our third one's out, 37.66. And we hit our max gain goal of $820 on that trade. A great setup. Identifying the support level. The SR zones use a bunch of days data to analyze support and resistance zones. And it nails it here. So we widen our goal with a projected up here into the 36.65 area. So that was a great trade. Nice profit, and we'll move on to the next one. And we take a break and we wait till the afternoon to do one more trade. And again, the afternoon comes, and we see the same setup as earlier, so we left our profit goal the same. So here's our support level. It's sold off. We started the auto trader right here. It gets long off the support level of the Trading123 SR zones. Price action moves up, and we get stopped out on our trail stop. It did get all the way up to this zone yet, but it's on its way. It has a small little pullback. Auto trader gets short and gets stopped out because it bounced off this SR zone here, this green level, and then it moves up into the red zone here. We hit our first profit target, second and third are stopped out as it goes into resistance here at this zone. So same pattern that repeated earlier, and we just traded it again, and we get a nice profit of $600. It wasn't our full profit goal, and we take it, bank it, and come back to trade another day. So if you're wanting to identify support and resistance areas, the Trading123 SR Zones is a great tool, and you'll see us use it in trading crude oil as it identifies all the major support levels. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like us on Facebook, Twitter, and follow us here on YouTube. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hope you have a good day of trading, and we'll see you in the next video. This is Patrick, head trader, Trading123.net.